everybody, Ali Flores here again with OrlandoVacation.com, where we're going to give you some more tips and tricks on how to make your Orlando vacation awesome. All right, everyone close your eyes. Just close your eyes. Do it. All right, now picture this. You're surrounded by water. Your loved one is sipping some wine. There are dolphins splashing about. The kids are swimming near the otters, and you think, this is a dream, right? Nope. This is Discovery Cove. Hey, before we get into that, let's click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can stay on top of all the tips and tricks that Orlando Vacation has to offer. Okay, Discovery Cove. It's one of my favorite places. It's a one-day resort experience. It is a sister park to SeaWorld Orlando and is actually located right next to it. It's smaller in size and is more like an immersive resort than an amusement park. It's mostly known for being an all-inclusive with standard drinks and food. But, of course, it wouldn't be Discovery Cove without giving guests the chance to swim with dolphins. Every visit to Discovery Cove includes complimentary amenities like fresh towels, snorkeling gear, and more. You can go snorkeling in the Grand Reef, feed exotic birds in the Explorer's Aviary, and have other up-close encounters. So, when should you come? Well, Florida being so tropical, you can come pretty much any time of the year. Now, the late winter can get a little cooler, so try the fall when it's still warm, but not as crowded. Also, during the week has fewer crowds as well. Freshwater Oasis features wading adventures and face-to-face encounters with playful otters and curious marmosets. Designed with a rainforest canopy above and sparkling clear springs below, you and your family can relax, explore, and find endless discoveries. Lockers are included with showers and changing areas. You are provided with towels, animal-safe sunscreen, very important, and snorkeling gear. They also provide you with wetsuits and vests. Throughout the park are loungers and seating provided as well. So all you really need to bring are a bathing suit and sunglasses. The rest is provided for you. Breakfast and lunch are buffet style and served in the main eating area. You can have as much as you want during the designated times for the meals. All day, you can go to stocked snack stations for chips, cookies, soft drinks, and wine or beer. Premium cocktails are available for a charge though. There are no rides, so the encounters are unique, secluded, and at your own pace. You can also do the above experiences over and over again, or just lounge on the beach or lagoon areas. Because of the limited occupancy, the area feels very relaxing and separated from the outside world. There are additional upgrades and packages you can purchase on your vacation. You can swim with sharks. There's also the Sea Venture, where you can go on an underwater walking tour while wearing a diving helmet. There is the Flamingo Mingle, where you feed and interact with them early in the morning, or you can help the aquarist with the ray feeding in the morning instead. Then, there's the Dolphin Experience. This is what Discovery Cove is known for. You get up close with bottlenose dolphins, swim with them, and meet them face to face. Interact and learn about what makes them so majestic. With or without add-ons, Discovery Cove's resort package ticket is one you really should look into. The starting price per person starts around $200 depending on the day and the season. So give us a call if you want to book this all-inclusive experience at 1-800-641-4008, and one of our reservationists will be happy to help you. If you're looking for more tips and tricks for your next Orlando vacation or need help planning, be sure to check out our website at OrlandoVacation.com, where we offer the best discounted prices and have a variety of blogs to make the most out of your Orlando vacation. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.